Most creators think they need more followers, but the real reason they're not growing or making money is because they're attracting the wrong audience. Today, I'll show you how to build an audience that actually watches, engages, and converts. If your videos get views but no engagement, if people follow you but never come back, or if your content feels invisible no matter how consistent you are, it's audience quality. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to attract the right audience, how algorithms actually find your ideal viewer, and the simple strategy creators use to turn small audiences into powerful communities. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to grow smarter, not louder. Introduction: what audience quality really means. Most creators focus on numbers, more followers, more views, more likes, but growth without quality is noise. Audience quality means building an audience that watches your content consistently, engages genuinely, trusts your expertise, and takes action to will always outperform a large passive one. 100,000 random followers equals low income, but 5,000 loyal followers means a strong brand and income opportunities. Quality beats quantity every time. Why does audience quality matter? High-quality audiences lead to higher engagement rates, better algorithm reach, and strong personal brand authority. You also get some reward monetization and not just follower count. Why does audience quality matter? High-quality audiences lead to higher engagement rates, better algorithm reach, strong personal brand authority, more conversions, and long-term growth. Platforms reward interaction, not follower count. The first pillar of audience quality is relevance. Your audience must match your content niche. Ask yourself, who is this content helping? What problem am I solving? The first pillar of audience quality, your audience must match your content niche. Ask yourself, who is this content helping and what problem are you solving? This ensures true relevance. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm excited to talk about digital marketing. It's essential for career growth and building online business. I'll share my top strategies to help you grow your audience and revenue. Welcome back. Today we're talking about why finding your niche is crucial for online business success. A clear niche, a clear audience leading to focused content and real growth. Let's explore how to find yours. Good audiences come with purpose. High-intent viewers save posts, comment questions, watch long videos, and return regularly. Low-intent viewers scroll and disappear. Create content that solves real problems. People follow creators they trust. Build trust by teaching consistently, showing real knowledge, being clear and honest, and delivering value before selling. Trust converts attention into loyalty. Not all engagement is created equal. Strong engagement includes comments, shares, saves, and watch time. Weak engagement is random likes and follow. Focus on conversations, not vanity metrics. Your audience should align with your goals. If you teach business and attract entertainment viewers, conversion stays low. Your content must attract the people you want long-term. How to attract a high-quality audience? Start by defining your ideal viewer. Create a simple profile with their age range, goals, problems, and skills. This helps you create targeted content that truly resonates with them. Beginner creators wanting to learn AI and digital skills. This is the perfect place to start. Let's dive in. Let's break down the multitasking myth. Here's how to fix it. First, prioritize your task. Focus on what matters most. Second, block out time for each task. Third, single task goal will boost your activities. A common mistake is reacting defensively when someone gives feedback. It can damage relationships. Here's a better approach. Pause, breathe, and say thank you for sharing. This keeps the conversation open. Struggling with a problem? Let's solve it. This, identify the core issue. Be specific, analyze thy root cause, look deeper. Third, execute a focused plan, take action. You've got this. Let's solve problems effectively with 4 simple steps. First, define the problem clearly. Second, lies the root cause. For example, a delayed project. Define the delay, find the cause, list fixes, and test one. If you're struggling to grow online, this is for you. Step 4, filter your audience. You don't need everyone. For beginners, for creators serious about growth, if you want to build income online. What part confused you most? Are you beginner or advanced? What should I teach next? Content strategy for audience quality. Weekly structure example. Monday, educational tutorial. Wednesday, problem solution. Friday, strategy breakdown. Sunday, community discussion. Stop tracking only followers. Track instead watch time, audience retention, saves and shares, returning viewers, comment quality, click-through rate. These signal real audience value. Mistakes that destroy audience quality. First, posting random topics. Second, chasing unrelated trends. Third, buying followers. And fifth, glitching identity constantly. Mistakes that destroy audience quality. Posting random topics. Chasing trends unrelated to niche. Clickbait without value. Algorithms get confused, so does your audience. High-quality audiences allow for affiliate marketing, digital products, courses, brand partnerships, coaching, and membership communities. Remember, brands pay for influence, not just follower counts. A practical exercise for your audience. First, write your niche in one sentence. Second, define who you help. Third, list 5 problems your audience days. This instantly improves your audience quality. Growth is not about attracting everyone. It's about attracting the right people and serving them consistently. When the right audience finds you, engagement increases, authority grows, and income follows naturally.